Bluehost blog tutorial. Hey guys, Brian with WP Cupid blog, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to start a WordPress blog on Bluehost. Whether you're a newbie at technology or a pro, this step-by-step Bluehost blog tutorial on how to start a WordPress blog on Bluehost video is perfect to follow along with. By following this Bluehost blog tutorial video, you will have your blog hosted and started with Bluehost in as little as 10 minutes. At the end of this video, you will have your Bluehost blog successfully started. The first step I'm going to cover is how to choose and register your own domain name for free with Bluehost, along with providing you with a discount on their hosting. Step 2 is choosing the right hosting plan. Step 3 is getting your website set up. If you don't have time to host and start your Bluehost blog right this second, be sure to bookmark this video so you can come back to it later. I provide a link to Bluehost below in the description to get your free domain name and hosting discount. I do want to mention that the link is an affiliate link, and I'll receive a commission which helps support this channel and helps us put out more WordPress tutorial videos. Some things to know about Bluehost is they host over 2 million websites worldwide and over 850,000 blogs around the world. They are also recommended by WordPress themselves since 2005. They instantly install WordPress for you, which makes starting a site that much easier. They provide 24/7 support via chat, email, and phone, and they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you are unhappy, you can cancel and get a refund, no questions asked within the first 30 days. The first thing you want to do is head on over to Bluehost via the link in the description if you already haven't. You'll see the Get Started Now button on the page. Click the button. This is where you can select your hosting plan. You'll see 3 different options. You'll see a basic plan, plus plan, and a prime plan. I recommend going with the basic plan, and then you can always scale up whenever you'd like. If you have more than one website, then you want to choose either the plus plan or prime plan. I'm going to choose the basic plan for this tutorial as this is most common. Go ahead and hit the select button on whichever plan you would like to use. We are now brought to a domain page where we can choose a domain name that we want completely free. Or if you already have a domain name, you'd enter it in over on the right. For the new domain, you can select if you want it to be a .com, .net, .org, etc. .com is the most popular domain extension, so I'd recommend going with a .com if you can. I'm going to type in a domain here and click the next button. You are now brought to a create your account page. This is where you will input your information. We have first name, last name. The business name is optional. Put your country address information in, put a phone number, and lastly the best email for you, as you'll get emailed a receipt of payment and a copy of your login credentials, etc. Below that, you will see package information. You'll see account plan. This is where you can select the term for your hosting package. You have 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, and 60 months. As you can see, you'll save money the longer you purchase your hosting for. I'm going to select the 12 months package. Setup fee is free. Domain is free. You'll see Site Backup Pro. You can unselect this as there are free backup plugins you can use for your WordPress blog. Search Engine Jumpstart you can keep unselected. This isn't necessary to have. SiteLock Security Find is security for your WordPress website and protects it from hackers. I'd unselect this as there are really good free alternatives. Domain Privacy is an add-on that I highly recommend. It will prevent telemarketers and marketers getting a hold of your personal contact information and bugging you with their services. The domain privacy will show Bluehost information for the site and not yours. All of these add-ons are completely optional and up to you to get. As you can see, you're saving a lot for this hosting package. Below that, you will input your payment information. I'm not going to fill this out for protection of personal information. Once your information is filled in, you want to select the I have read and agreed to Bluehost privacy policy in terms of service. Now click the submit button. You are now brought to a page where you will choose a password for your Bluehost account. Click the create your password button. Input the password you would like. Click the I have read and agreed to Bluehost privacy policy and terms and conditions and click the next button. You will now be directed to a congratulations page. Click the blue login button to log in to Bluehost. Bluehost is also going to, at this time, email your dashboard login information to the email address you provided. Click the I have read and agreed to Bluehost privacy policy and terms and conditions and click the next button. You will now be directed to a congratulations page. Click the blue login button to log in to Bluehost. Bluehost is also going to, at this time, email your dashboard login information to the email address you provided. You will now see Pick Your Theme. Bluehost has a bunch of awesome free WordPress themes to choose from. You can select a theme now if you want to, or below the themes you can click Skip this step. If you choose a theme now, you can always change the theme you pick without any problem at a later date. I'll be going over this in more detail later in the video. Once you choose your free theme, you'll be at the page here stating all done. Click the button that says start building to start building your blog on WordPress. Once you click that and log in, you will be at the WordPress dashboard. This is what the WordPress dashboard looks like. It'll ask you a few questions, as you can see. If you don't need help, just click the you don't need help option. Once you do that, you will see this page. You will see blog posts where you can add new blog posts. You will see where you can add new pages to your blog. If you want to change your navigation menus, you can do so easily. And if you are going to sell products on your site, you can install WooCommerce to do so. Let's get to know WordPress a bit. On the far left, you will see tabs. Hover over them and get to learn them. Post is where you can add new posts. Pages is where you can add new pages. The media tab is where your images will show that you upload to your blog. Comments is where you can view comments people leave on your blog. Appearance is where you can change the look of your theme or change your theme to another one or a premium theme. Select themes. When you hover over appearance, it will showcase free WordPress themes that you can choose from. If you select most popular, it will show you the most popular free WordPress themes. Hover over a theme and click install and then click activate to make the theme your WordPress theme. You should also see add new theme on this page. This is where you can add a new theme if you got it from another site or it is a premium theme. The plugins tab in the left menu, click add new. This is where you can add new plugins for your site. Pretty much any feature or customization you would want, more than likely there is a plugin to do that. In the top left of your WordPress dashboard, you will see welcome here or your site title towards the top of the page. Click this to view your site. To log into your WordPress dashboard, you can do so via the Bluehost cPanel or by typing in your domain name with a /wp-admin. Here's an example. It'll bring up this page here. Just input your login credentials to be logged into WordPress. One of the best plugins that can make hosting your WordPress blog on Bluehost easier is a plugin called Elementor. Elementor Page Builder is a drag and drop editor for WordPress. Elementor is the #1 WordPress page builder today, and over 500,000 users use it all around the world. This plugin can save you a ton of time and lots of headaches figuring out how to make specific customizations. This plugin has a free version and a paid version. If you want to activate this plugin, click Elementor Page Builder in the search bar. You'll see the plugin. Click the Install Now button and click Activate to activate the plugin. I provide a link in the description to it so you can check out their site and the free and premium features. A great place to get premium WordPress themes is ThemeForest. I include the link in the description below. You can get already professional made WordPress themes if you don't want to bother with designing your site, etc. Another great site if you need help with designing your customizations in WordPress is Fiverr. With Fiverr, you can get tasks done for just $5. Fiverr is a great place to get a logo made if you have trouble doing so yourself. You have successfully set up and started your blog on Bluehost. And that is my Bluehost blog tutorial on how to start a WordPress blog with Bluehost step-by-step video. If you have any questions, get in touch as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.